It's early morning here in my classroom.
Uh-oh! Tristan, can you go with your friend? This is such a cute cat. Yeah.
It's a template. This is an appetizer. Right, Mama?
So this is Rachel's food. This is
Wait,
chicken.
don't touch it.
Yeah.
That looks super masala.
And this is for myself. Look how big it is. And Daddy's on a diet. Daddy, she looks exhausted. Look. This is number 17. Hanapin lang namin yung room namin. I guess going here to 7. Okay, let's just follow Daddy. Yeah. Here. Okay, I got the key. Okay, so we are here. This is our next room na nirentahan dito. Okay, so this is our new room here in Shore to Tower 1. This is very nice. So this is the main door. It says no smoking, which is good. So if you're smoking, it's a big no-no here. Okay, tapos we have our stove that we can use. Ayan. Malinis naman yung sink. Yan, and we have this. What's this for? You like the view? Wow. Meron tayong, ano ito siya? I'm sorry, I don't know what that is. Baka, rice cooker or what? Wait lang. And then,
The other one view a bit better?
Yeah.
Why don't you like the other one?
tapos, and then we have,
See the part. It's like
yeah, we have
That's
this.
all you get to see. That ain't
And then, makainom to drink kape. We have some dishes, utensils. Oh, this is good, Daddy. Look, they have this for the mosquitoes. We're definitely gonna use that. We have our microwave. Huh?
That's what he got.
And the good thing about this, guys, because I know that we're gonna be staying here in Manila until we finish our process. We have this washer. Let's see kung malinis. Maliit lang siya. Pero this is perfect. Kasi ang hirap kapag nakastay ka sa hotel, guys. Walang washer. And yan. Tapos this is the trash bin. This is how the sink looks over here. Yan siya. Yan. Mabango, malinis. Yan. And this is our shower. Yan. Tapos meron sila doon. Baka sa previous yan na nagstay dito. Meron sila nito, guys. So I forgot the name of this. Yan, panglinis after nung mag number 2. And we have a nice, decent refrigerator. Ayan.
I have my own bed.
You have your own
Yeah,
bed.
you guys will be sleeping in that big bed. I have my bed here.
Oh, that's good. And then this is our little dining table over here. Thank you so much, Daddy. And then this is the door for the Tapos dito, guys, maganda siya kasi parang may division siya. Yan yung parang bedroom. Tapos meron sila ditong maliit na sofa. Yan. Merong lampshade. Tapos yun yung natin yun yung ating painting. Ayan siya. Tapos we have a small TV here. We have our telephone if you need to call the desk. Ayan. Tapos meron tayo dito.
Better. They have a bigger fridge.
Tapos ito, magkape tayo while watching TV. And then we have this for the yung kung ano yung mga rules nila dito. Yan. And then let's check over here. This is our cabinet here. May extra na futon. Yan. And then this is the remote control for the AC. That's our AC. Ito yung rack para sa clothes or kung gusto nyo mag-hang siguro ng clothes doon. Laka na. Oh my gosh. That's cute. And then ito yung bedroom. Yan. At least naka-separate siya doon sa kabila. Ay, nako. Thank you, Lord. And this, yeah, this is cute. This is nice. And that's the...
Sleep here?
Yes, of course. And this is our view from the... I don't know. Wait, Rachel. This is our view. You can see the tall buildings over there. Very nice. Makita mo yung ilog. You see? Yan. That's the double Dragon Plaza. Right there. I like this room better than the first one. Although the first one was also very clean and beautiful. Yeah. But I like the view. I like the view here. Wow. And look at that. May school pala dyan, it's Manila Taytana Colleges. Yeah, it's a big college. I wonder if it still operates. I haven't heard about that school. Pero may mga there are cars at the parking lot. Perhaps it's still open. So this is it. Yes, I really like this guys, this place, right, Daddy? Yeah, wow. I hope we'll enjoy our stay here. There are professionals that can take care of Daddy. I'm just a noob messenger. Okay. Pwede kami guys. Nag-apply na kami ng punta sa store.
Yes.
Yeah, Daddy's naturally home.
Without my eyes open. Welcome back to what?
Apa. Oh, prices, we're back. Saglit lang kami doon sa store, guys, kasi bumili lang kami ng mga kailangan namin. Laundry soap, ayan. Tapos, bumili na rin ako ng cream silk na hindi ko nagamit for such a long time. Yan. May ganyan naman sa mga Filipino store doon, pero hindi ako bumibili kasi nga mahal. Ayan. Tapos, okay na naman ako sa conditioner nila. Meron tayong paper towel konti. And then, kopi ko, I haven't had this for such a long time. Bumili na rin kami guys para hindi natin magamit yung dishes nila dito. If possible, meron tayong sarili natin cups and ang forks natin at ang ating clear tape. We should have, yeah. Go check the purple suitcase. Meron tayong forks and yan, spoons. Tapos bumili rin ako ng yan, Clorox para sa ating clothes. Tapos meron ako ditong guys, ang breakfast natin and meron tayong apple and maliit na bread. Tapos ito guys, ito yung all-time favorite ko talaga noong nandito pa ako sa Pilipinas dati. Yan. Hi Daddy, feeling ko before this is the best. Tapos bumili rin kami ng guys, dali lang ha, i-face ko doon. Ito ice cream and beef franks. Ayan ang ating ice cream. Tapos Yakult for Rachel. Ayan. So, after nito guys, pupunta kami ng pet store. We're gonna check if they have some cutie
Cats.
That
is super, not, of course not now, but can I get a cat?
Guys, we are here at Fully Booked. Ano siya? Yeah, ayan siya. Look, they have a lot of selections of books. Ayan. One thing that I was really worried about is not being able to provide books for Rachel. Pero marami pala sila dito guys. Dami. Dito sa Mall of Asia. So I don't really feel bad anymore for Rachel. Okay, so nakita na namin guys. Ito yung mga favorite ni Rachel. Dito na area. A Little Princess. Yan. Saan yung Phantom of okay. I think I want to
Is it
buy
here?
this one. Yeah, this one. Pareho lang sa katong sa library. How much is this here? How much are they selling this for? 449. Around the world. Mangita usata. Oh my gosh. This is very exciting, Daddy. I'm loving this place. Yes, of course. So we are here at the Yucca Wellness Spa here in the Mall of Asia. Ayan, nandito siya sa loob ng Mall of Asia. Ayan, they offer different kinds of wellness massage. Nandun ang asawa ko. Yan. Kasi sumasakit yung mga katawan niya. Charot. Yan. Maganda dito, guys. Rachel! We are back here. Rachel, say hi. Ayan, gabi na guys. It's already 7:49 in the evening. Ayan, kadarating lang namin. Pumunta kami ng Mall of Asia after namin mag-check ng I don't know if you can like see a little bit. Yan yung view natin at night, which is very beautiful. Hi, Daddy! Anyway, dumaan kami ng Mall of Asia and then nag-stop by muna saglit yung asawa ko sa massage salon kasi alam mo na yan. And then what else, I feel so happy na nakakita kami ng store na nagbebenta ng maraming libro, guys. Yan, pero lang wala, charot. And then we stopped by quickly to grab some food. This is going to be our dinner na, gamay lang siya. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed our video for today. So this is our view. Yan.